back to Be a Lego Pro. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like. Today I'll be showing you how to make this awesome vending machine. It is very easy to reload. In fact, I'll show you how to build it. And at the end, I'll show you how it works and a user's guide of when it jams and how you can fix that. Before I show you how you can manage your vending machine and also how you reload it, I have found an easier way of making sure it doesn't jam. So there used to be a 1x4 here, and take that 1x4 out, yes, out, and replace it, and take the 1x2 that was here and transfer it over there, so there should be a gap. Add another 1x2 here, and that is our new vending machine that has less, how should I say it? Stucks, jams. There you go. Now that you've learned about the alteration that you can make, that will make it a little more less jamming. Yes, and this is the lid. And you simply place those 1x2s right there. That's obvious. So, how do you reload this thing? Quite simple when you think about it. It can be quite difficult. You can place 1, 2, where'd that go? 3, and just for a play function, you can also store just one right there. Like I guess you can store it till the next time someone comes, and I guess like someone gives you extra. That sounds like a good idea, right? And then you close it, and you simply dispense. There you go, candy. You can also use this 1x2. Be aware, you've got to have some. You're gonna need some good hands to get it out. And if there's any jams, make sure everything is connected properly, because if it's kind of diagonally connected like this, it's not gonna work. Make sure everything's properly connected and enjoy your sweet treats that you have dispensed. If you're tired and want to read stories, you want to check the link in the description for a blogger. My blogger. If you're interested in playing any games, you might want to go down and look at Scratch. You don't need an account for it. Although if you want to change it and mix it as yourselves, you might want to make an account. Okay? Make sure you subscribe and like, and bye!